Need to remove a line from your Cricket wireless account? The process is straightforward, but there are a few important steps to follow to avoid losing your number or facing unexpected charges. Start by logging into the My Cricket app or the official website. Go to the Manage Line section and select the specific line you want to remove. Before proceeding, make sure any outstanding balance on that line is fully paid. If there's an active device installment plan attached, review the remaining payments, as removing the line may trigger the final balance due. Next, decide what you want to do with the phone number. You have three main options. You can port the number to another carrier, like Verizon or T-Mobile. You can cancel the line completely, or you can place it on temporary hold for up to 30 days if you're unsure. If you choose to port the number, you'll need your account number and transfer PIN. Thanks to FCC regulations, number porting is protected and usually completes within 1 to 2 business days. Cricket uses two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized transfers, so expect a verification step. Keep in mind your new carrier may charge a small port-in fee. If you cancel instead, the number is typically released after about 30 days. Once processed, Cricket will send a confirmation via email or SMS.